You guys, I'm super excited to tell you I finally got myself a green screen. Yeah, I got 2 rolls because I think one might not be enough, which means I'm gonna be creating a lot more cooler things and I'm taking you guys with me. So the first thing we're gonna do is try and change the background. So if I know what I'm doing, hopefully this will work. Did it change? Is it something cute? I hope it's something cute. I hope that it actually works and I actually know what I'm doing, because if not, that's embarrassing, and it's probably just a green screen right now if it didn't work. Since it is October, I have this creative concept that I've always wanted to create, actually not even just for Halloween, it's just how my brain works. But I'm gonna try and create, wait, let me show you the sketch. If you've been following me on Instagram, and I think a couple of my different posts, you'll see this notebook. What is this? This is my holy grail idea notebook. It says October, so I do plan on making this month in October, and the very first one is this fire concept over here. So with that being said, let's get started with the filming. I feel like October always brings me like inspiration and like expansion on the ideas that I want to create, mainly because I feel like it's a little bit more like free flowing, you know, everything goes. And last year, I'm actually really proud of this, where I tried my first rotoscope and I created this piece over here and it did really well, and it took me days to create, mainly because I think I didn't have the right tools. I honestly didn't really know what I was doing going into the filming part, which is kind of the same concept for today, to be honest. I want to see if I can level up on myself and see if I can integrate some new skills and some VFX here. Okay, I have all the footage that I need now, and so it's time to do the most intimidating part to me, which is the editing, because I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna open everything up. Let's see where this takes me. So the first thing that I want to do is just to trim it down and really select which clip that I want to use for the final thing. So the goal is to be able to have a fireball come out of my hand and then transfer that fire into the candle. So let's see if any of this is possible. First, I need to actually learn how to use this program, so the plan is just to kind of learn as I go. I don't know if that's the worst idea. Maybe I should have started with something basic. In order to map out what would be required to make this project come alive, I started learning and trying to understand the program and its tools, functions, capabilities, but I was getting overwhelmed quickly. Where do I even begin with this? Okay, I'm ready to do this. The first thing I had to do was mask out my fingers by using a tracker program, but pretty soon after I ran into an issue with that. Why isn't this working? So instead of using the program's auto tracker, I ended up having to move every part piece by piece. So it's looking like I have to do things manually now. I've been at this for 7 hours. 7 hours, and I don't feel like it's anywhere near done. Okay, I'm calling it a day. Sometimes you just need to step away from the work and come back with fresh eyes, because then you won't want to rage quit. It's a brand new day. Nothing's gonna be in my way. We continue. This masking situation is too tedious. I am not doing something correctly. There were so many moments where I doubted the project. Should I give up? This whole thing should just go in the rubbish now. It's not working. It's not working out. Should I just scrap the whole thing? It's supposed to be a brand new day. What's the lyrics of that song? Does anybody else think of Lizzie McGuire when you hear that song? Okay, I have to implement the fire properly, but it just doesn't look so cute right now, you know? This looks so fake. Oh, it's perfect day. But it's not perfect either because it's not working. And I wanted to quit. Should I quit? Should I quit? I quit. I'm over it. Okay. No more. And then I would see some progress. Ooh, look at the fire. Oh, Legally Blonde. PK fire. Okay, I feel like it's kind of coming together. I see it. I see the vision. You see the vision? And then I would want to come back and try again. New day, new candle. We better work. I just think it's really important to always be like pushing yourself, pushing your boundaries, and really challenging yourself just to expand your skills, your knowledge, and especially for things that you've always wanted to try, but you're not really sure if you can do. It's always best to just go for it and then deal with the aftermath later, you know? Nothing standing in my way. Must push for Halloween. So what I'm trying to do here is to get the fireball out of my hand, because I'm magical this season, and then transfer into the candle. It's too hard, and it's just It's looking like a hot mess, but I must continue. I'm not a quitter. At times, I felt like the more I tried to learn, the more complicated it got. You see, I did not anticipate that. This is like stepping on foreign land here. It honestly feels like speaking a whole new language. You'd think it's kind of transferable because I'm very used to editing apps in general, editing programs, but this is like, who's that monster? What am I saying? I'm so tired. I'm going delirious. This is awful. David and Goliath. No, but why isn't it working? Why? When in doubt, find it on YouTube. But when the pieces finally started to align, it felt really encouraging. Okay, I feel like it's getting to a point where it looks good. It's working. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself. And then I need to add the fire, and then I should be good to go. I have filmed the candle already, but I don't know if I'm gonna use that or I'm gonna use just a little green screen flame that I find on the interwebs. Okay, there's a little bit of things that went wrong, and I can't figure it out, but I've also spent too many hours on this, and this was really just supposed to be like an intro to this new skill. This is my first try, so I didn't expect it to be perfect, but I really wanted to get it as close to satisfactory as possible, so hopefully it is something close to that. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below if you've seen this video or you came from this video. I would love to know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I do post real-time, more behind the scenes work over there, and also just updates on my life in general. I will be posting the results over there first, as well as shorts if the music allows. So with that being said, go create a life that you're proud of. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.